just installed the grey water tank under the vehicle, and it's not easy because there's hardly any space. But I got it installed with the temporary screws. You can see with the two scraps on top of each other. And here regarding the springs, you can see there's about at least 2 inches, more than 2 inches between them. And there's of course also, let me see what I can do that. This is the back of the tank, and here you can see the distance between the water tank and the axle, the drive axle. But now I have to start drilling some permanent holes for the slightly larger screws that I'll be putting in. Okay, this is the first. Oh, I'll have to take off my magnet, which catches most of the metal shavings. That's really a nice trick. Okay, that's the first one. Now I should be able to get that temporary screw out and replace it. First drill a slightly larger hole and then replace it with a second permanent screw. Okay, 6 more to go. Another day under the vehicle. Let me see whether we can finish at least the installation of the water tank. Okay. I want to take out this smaller temporary screw and replace it with a larger one. Well, I've got the tank installed now. Of course, I have to work on the connections. But first I'll test it out for a couple of weeks, see whether I have to make any adjustments or changes. It looks good and it feels solid. So, cross our fingers. Several things put together, a few parts. What I'm going to do is install a valve, an automatic valve, not an automatic, an electric valve that's connected to my house battery, to the waste water tank, the grey water tank. This is what I screw into the water tank. First I have to look how the water flows. Yeah, that what comes out of the tank flows out. Okay. Some pipe sealant. That's how it's gonna look like. It's a little bit heavy, so to avoid too much pressure on this, especially when the van is hobbling away on a bad road, I'll probably use a tie and tie this valve to the bottom of the van.
Hey Joey. Yeah. Good boy. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, you're a good boy. I got my connector to the electric valve, but I still have to open the tank inside here. So I'll just try and make an initial hole. Now I'll try and use my trusted saw blade to cut out the rest. Now I got my opening, got my connector, my pipe thread, that should be it. I got it taped off, so there's no way there's dirt going in there for the time being.
But I'm first locating where the screw is going to be. That's here. Okay, that should be it. That can go that way. So first, drill a hole. So now I will be attaching the pump first. Let me see. That makes sense. Yep. Okay. That should be fine. And this is my overflow. Then I have to see whether I can put the screw in. Okay. That's fine. This doesn't have to hold much, but it's just a relief for the weight of the valve and give a little bit less stress on these fittings. So I think that looks good. At this point, this is a barbed connector, so I can put a hose on here at a later time. Hi guys, this is Joey and we're building a one-of-a-kind RV. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe, or better yet, leave a comment. Thanks guys. Done a good job.